Hi, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Do you love Kraft Catalina Dressing, but want to save money and avoid artificial ingredients? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to make your own delicious and easy copycat version with just a few simple ingredients. Catalina dressing is a type of French dressing, but with a little extra zip that comes partly from the addition of Worcestershire sauce. Catalina is tangy, sweet, and creamy, and it goes well with any salad. You can also use it as a marinade, as an ingredient in a recipe, or even as a dip for your favorite snacks. All you need are some basic pantry staples like ketchup, vinegar, sugar, oil, Worcestershire, and spices. Sound good? Well, grab your apron and let's get started. We're going to whip this up in a blender. I'm going to use my little personal blender because it's just about the right size and I don't have to pull out my big blender. But you can also whip it up by hand, no problem. I'm going to show you the ingredients now and show you how fast it is to put together. First, we're going to start with ketchup. Now the measurements for all the ingredients are going to be in the recipe in the description box. So if I don't mention them here, don't worry, that's where you can find them. Then we need some sugar, just plain white granulated sugar. Some lemon juice, some red wine vinegar, try not to spill it everywhere, some Worcestershire sauce, and then our spices. I have salt, ground mustard, paprika, turmeric, and cayenne. And the last thing we need is some canola oil. Now you can see that's all your basic ingredients. Now we're just going to blend it up so that it's well emulsified. I'm going to shake it just a little bit, get all of that ketchup that's at the bottom, and give it one more spin. And there you have it. All in 10 minutes or less. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. And until then, have fun in the kitchen.